Brian, for the last 3 or 4 minutes of the interview, I'd love you to take yourself out of GANT and look into the future as a CMO of fashion retail, and talk about the industry in general, so that we can peer into the future and talk about what's to come. As personalization technology improves, how do retailers ensure they can still retain that beautiful discovery element for customers? So if you're using data to give me the journey I want based on what I've done before and how well you know me, how do you ensure that I can still use serendipity and find something I never knew existed? Is that still possible?
Absolutely, yes. If I would look to the future, and where I think, if we just talk about the retail landscape, which is having massive challenges across the world, then I think what you need to do in retail is that it has to be a digital experience. It has to be personalized. It has to be, when you come in, people with an instant know exactly what you're looking for. It should be completely connected in based on the database that you have. So let's say you walked into a GANT store in 5 years from now, you would have the staff around you knowing your profile. They would know what you're looking for. You will go to the locker room with the products they know your sizes on. There will come proposals in that locker room on the digital screen on, look, this is what you could buy as well around. This would merchandise nice. There will be a tailor close to your home. We will ship the goods to that because we know where your preferred tailor is. You would have let's say a list of new restaurants that you want to go to. So I think that whole retail experience has to be more than just beautiful product merchandising, which it is today. I think you have to transform it into a very, very different space. And that's where I believe that part will go. You need those spearheads coming out. I can see from, if you take not consumer facing, but you look at the staff that is around the stores, they will have instant education. The store will be digitalized. That means you can personalize the store depending on weather. You can personalize your windows depending on demographics walking by. You just look at that. There's no limitation of how wide this can become. And I think that you will use those experience centers to give a much more in-depth journey of who we are as a brand. What is our point of view on sustainability, not just by label, but literally following the product from the end all the way through. I believe that you would go away from e-com and the traditional warehouse we have today, or shipping. I think you'll go from source to consumers going forward. I think you will jump a lot of links, and that can be done. God, I can continue on that one. That's a really exciting question because it's so widespread. But I think what we know today is just the beginning of the digital capabilities that will be in the future.